Hi, today I'm going to show you a small EDC bag from Maxpedition. It's my fire kit, and inside I've included several items. So, here's what it looks like. On the left, I have my fast fire stick. It's a super compact fire starter that burns for a long time. It's very versatile. You only need to cut a small piece and light it with either a ferro rod or lighter. It's good for at least 100 fires. Here, I have my cold steel thin hawk knife, Thin Wolf, with a Scandi grind. It's a great knife, very solid and durable. It's from Cold Steel, and I've had it for years. I really like it. Next, a standard ferro rod. As you can see, it's inexpensive on Amazon. Here is the Titan Light from Exotac. It's a refillable lighter with a rubber seal that prevents gas evaporation. It's a great lighter. This is the Olight Arcfeld Pro. It's very compact and has a flat shape. It offers 3 options: laser, UV, and different power levels. It works very well. And I like the versatility of having 3 types of light in one device. Here is the Pocket Boy. It's a very good folding saw, solid and extremely sharp. It hardly ever comes loose. I like it a lot. It's compact and made by Silky. This completes my kit. It's mainly focused on fire starting. It's very compact, and I often bring it with me into the forest. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps support my work. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. I'll see you in the next video.